Welcome to 902 Q Street, where urban convenience meets a peaceful retreat. Come on in. Located in the heart of Midtown, this updated 3-bedroom townhome is spacious, bright, and light with an open living room featuring eucalyptus hardwood floors, fresh interior paint, creating a modern and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is a chef's dream with sleek countertops and plenty of storage space. Upstairs, the generous primary suite features a luxurious remodeled bath, a walk-in closet with 2 additional bedrooms, a remodeled secondary bath, and a conveniently located half bath on the main floor. This home is perfect for today's lifestyle. This home also provides convenience with direct access from the attached garage and a private patio, perfect for outdoor entertaining or simply relaxing in your own peaceful sanctuary. Saratoga Townhomes are a well-maintained, owner-occupied community located in the heart of Sacramento. It boasts a prime location. Looking for that urban lifestyle? Well, this townhouse has it all. Don't miss your opportunity to live in the heart of Sacramento. Call me today to schedule your private showing.